There are many products available to choose springform pan, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best springform pan from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Chicago Metallic Nonstick 3-Piece Set. From tiered cakes to a batch of cinnamon rolls, the Chicago Metallic 3-Piece Set is a collection of round pans that allows for versatility in your baking creations. This set includes a 6-inch, 8, and 10 pan. When directly compared to other sets, the larger diameters make these pans more adaptable to a variety of kitchen tasks. The BPA-free, though not PTFE-free, coating is remarkably non-stick, with zero residue left in the pan after an effortless cake release. Their heat distribution is consistent, due in large part to the heavyweight, carbon steel construction, which also increases durability. Although we love the size of these pans for versatility, plan on increasing your quantities, at least when baking a tiered cake, as they are a little too large for a single cake recipe. Number 2. OXO Good Grips Nonstick 9-inch Square. The OXO Good Grips 9-inch square pan improves upon your classic piece of bakeware in a number of significant ways. The aluminized steel is lightweight, yet more durable than a standard aluminum pan, and provides a much more even temperature profile that is perfect for cakes and brownies. The dimpled bottom improves cake removal, but the secret to this pan's success is in the non-stick coating. The ceramic reinforcement of the coating not only makes this cake pan exceptionally easy to grip but seems also to discourage the flaking that is so common after repeated handwashing. Despite the improved durability of the non-stick coating, we would like to see poly-based finishes like PTFE, e.g., Teflon, become a thing of the past. Also, for a single pan, this product is pricey, which might dissuade many professional bakers looking to outfit a new kitchen. Number 3. USA Pan 8-inch Round. Even though we only had the pleasure of testing the USA Pan 8-inch Round, we can only assume that all the shapes and sizes live up to the same top-notch craftsmanship. We're certain we could easily substitute any one of them and be just as satisfied as we were with this one. A heavy-gauge aluminized steel makes this a durable, commercial-grade option with outstanding heat distribution. The patented AmeriCoat non-stick coating, which is free of PFOAs, PTFEs, and BPAs, is paired with a fluted bottom for easy cake release and cleaning. A minor criticism is that the aluminized steel takes slightly longer to heat up and cool down than a fully aluminum pan. But even when baking a clafoutis, which cools in the pan, we had no issues with an over-browning crust. Based on price alone, this pan is likely better suited for the home baker who aspires to create professional-level desserts than the professional chef looking to stock a kitchen. Number 4. Wilton Perfect Results Nonstick 8-inch Square, Set of 2. You don't have to sacrifice value for durability with the Wilton Perfect Results 8-inch Square Pan. As a testament to longevity, our lead tester's mother has baked brownies in these pans for decades. The pan's hardy steel construction cooks with an even heat distribution and temperature profile that is great for more than just a simple sheet cake like a brownie. We particularly love the large, wing-like handles that make these pans easy to remove from the oven. Like all generic, PFC-based non-stick coatings, we would love to see the one on this pan replaced with something more natural, like a ceramic-based coating, even if it detracts a bit from the overall durability. While we didn't notice any flaking during our testing period, we know from previous experience that these will mildly scratch and scour over time, especially if you are rough on them or cut into your dessert with any kind of metal utensils. Number 5. All-Clad Pro Release 9-inch Pan. From unsurpassed durability to an ergonomic design, the All-Clad Pro Release 9-inch pan checks all the boxes of a professional-grade cake pan. There is a common thread among the best pans we test: aluminized steel. This material combines the heating and cooling benefits of aluminum with the uniform heat distribution of steel, resulting in superior baking performance. This is also one of the few pans tested with a PFOA-free non-stick coating that is reinforced with ceramic, which, like enamel Dutch ovens, helps the pan withstand scratches, stains, and scrapes. Wide handles make this pan easy to maneuver, allowing you to tap out air bubbles, keeping the batter even so you can produce perfectly level cakes. Though subtle, the 9-inch diameter is also a nice improvement over standard 8 round pans, which might just allow you to squeeze 1 or 2 more cinnamon rolls in. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.